Good morning. My name's John Coffey, and I am the Unpaved Explorer. Welcome to my channel. Today is Christmas, December 25th, 2019. I am out at the local park trying out some new products that I purchased this week for Christmas. It's a Christmas gifts to myself. And so it is about 7:30, 32 degrees outside. It's pleasant out here today. It's beautiful. And so today I'm going to talk about some products. They're called hand warmers. Now there are various different types of hand warmers that are out in the market. You got battery hand warmers. You got liquid gas type hand warmers. You have dry chemical hand warmers. You have gel activated hand warmers. You have charcoal burning hand warmers. But I bought 3 different types of hand warmers to give them a try. And so let me show you each and every one of these hand warmers, and I will do follow-up videos on each and every one of them. The hand warmers that I purchased for myself for Christmas are, on the left, the Hot Hands, which is a dry chemical, and in the middle is a Zippo, which uses hand warming lighter fluid. And then on the right is the big blue 3-in-1 battery pack, light, and hand warmer. So I will be discussing each and every one of these and providing a video on each one. Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name's John Coffey, and I am the Unpaved Explorer. I want to talk to you about the Zippo hand warmer. Now, this is the hand warmer itself. Comes in a box. And what you get with the box is you get a little sack, a cinch sack. You get the hand warmer, and then get the lid, and this is the converter. And you also get a filling system to fill your hand warmer. Now this hand warmer uses Zippo hand warming fluid. You could buy the hand warming fluid, or you could buy the lighter fluid that you use in Zippo lighters. And so what you do is you take the converter off. Then you pour your filling system, and it's marked with 12-hour lines. Then you take your fluid and you fill this to the amount of time you want. and I'm just going to do, it's only marked for 12 hours, and so I'm only going to fill it halfway, and it'll be for 6 hours. Then you take your filling system, and you got a little hole in the middle. You just pour it in there slowly. Once you get it filled up, you put your converter back on, and you wait a little bit, a few minutes, for the lighter fluid, hand warming fluid, to start evaporating. Then what you do is, on your converter, there's some carbon felt material, which looks like carbon felt, I'm not exactly sure. And you take your lighter and you bring it close to the carbon felt. You actually don't light the carbon felt. It actually, the fumes catch on fire. Now it takes a few minutes for this to warm up. Then you put your cap back on. So in a few minutes, this will be up and running. So this temperature on this is 135 degrees. And it says that it runs 12 hours on 1 ounce of fluid. I already used this product, and it does. I got very close to 12 hours. And so, one thing about this is you're not supposed to use it on its own without the sack. So once this gets up to temperature, you put it in the sack, and you put this in your pockets. I actually tried sleeping with it to see if I could use it while I sleep, and unfortunately it doesn't do too well that way, because you get fumes that are burning off from the gear. And so but once it's activated, you get consistent heats of about 135 degrees for 12 hours on one complete fill up. And so, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. My name is John Coffey. I am the Unpaved Explorer, and I'm out of here. If you have any questions, any comments, please place them in the comment section below. All comments are welcome. So, keep enjoying the outdoors, and I'll catch you on the next one.